Good morning. Today we are here with Mr. Dr. Rao, right?
Yeah.
From Noble Hospitals.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
a director of Noble Hospital.
Okay, director from Noble Hospitals. Okay, so we're gonna ask him like, what kind of, how does this kind of seminars help in raising awareness, and what should be done more in terms of the seminar. So, sir, could you just tell us, how the seminars are important for the cleaning industry?
Cleaning per se is required everywhere, whether it is industry, house, hospital, river, road, everything. Cleaning is a part of very important aspect in the life of every person. Because the cleaning is there, then you can avoid so many things like accident, diseases, unhygiene environment, and indirectly, directly, it will enhance the production in the industries.
So, sir, according to this kind of seminars, do you think what kind of effect do you think is it being done enough? So like because in hospitals, healthcare, sanitation is of prime importance. So do you think this kind of seminars raises awareness, gives people more about the importance of sanitation and hygiene? So could you just tell us what benefits do this kind of seminars have?
In hospital,
Yeah.
in a hospital, cleanliness is a very utmost important aspect. While examining the patient, while giving the injections, we have to clean our hands. While going for the operations or any procedure on the patients, we have to clean our hands. And there is a special care taken for hand hygiene, and our staffs like nurses, ward boys, mamas and mausis, and doctors are specially trained for this hand hygiene.
Okay, so this kind of seminar, do they help them, to gain information, and does it help in their training? This kind of seminars, how is it benefiting? In training the personnel. Like, could you just tell us just about that?
See, training to the staffs in the hospital helps in many ways. If staff is taking care of their hands by cleaning ways, so they can minimize the infection to the patients, and patient care will be more effective, and the recovery can be more faster than normal way if they are treating.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Rao. We'll see you in the seminar itself.
Thank
Okay.
you.